Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into the best GitHub Copilot model. So the best GitHub Copilot model actually depends on what you want to do in terms of like speed, cost, accuracy, reasoning, and dealing with visuals. Okay, so GitHub Copilot supports a variety of models like from OpenAI's to Anthropic, Google XAI, and a lot more. Okay, so we'll just go through some of these. So the if you are using like large projects, okay, if you are doing like large projects or need high accuracy, even if it's slower and more expensive, then ChatGPT 5, which is OpenAI's GPT 5, would be the ideal model. Okay, and if you want something, okay, if you want like clean output, good documentation and commenting, or when context or stability matters, then cloud models might be a good option. Okay, and you can use Gemini models when like visuals, if you need like visuals plus code plus reasoning are involved, and when working on complex systems, then you can try those models. Okay, and also you have these O4 or 3 mini models, which is great for like small functions, prototyping, or when you want quick suggestions. So you can pick based on your priorities. So if you want like maximum correctness, deep reasoning, and multiply work, then try go for GPT-5 or Cloud or Gemini 2.5 Pro. Whereas you want good performance with lower cost, then you can try with GPT-4 model or Cloud Sonnet as well. Or if you want like fast response and low latency, then you can try the O4 mini or O3 mini or even GPT-5 mini if you have access. Or if you are working with visuals, like visual inputs like images, diagrams and stuff, then Gemini 2.0 or 2.5 Pro will be ideal option. But if you just need it for everyday tasks like document generations, small snippets, all those things, then GPT-4 or GPT-5 or even Cloud Sonnet will be an ideal option. So it all depends on your purpose. Hope this information video helps.